Hello everyone, this is Sagar Thakkar and we welcome you to the last video for CAT 2022 aspirants. So this video is going to be also helpful for the CAT 2023 aspirants, as in this video we are going to discuss how to select LRDI sets, because in paper we are expecting either 4 or 5 sets. So each and every set you do must be selected on a very accurate basis, because we have very less time and we should do the correct set. Because if we select the wrong set, like which is in too lengthy or it is not doable, it is of very difficult level or advanced level, then it will waste your time and it will lower down your percentile as well, and we don't want that. So in today's video we are going to discuss on what parameters, on what basis you are going to select the set. Because if we waste too much time in selecting the set also, then it is again also in time wastage and it will reduce our proficiency of getting more and more percentile in the CAT examination. So here are a few tips from my side. This video is totally based on how will I attempt the CAT paper, whether, well, I'm not giving the CAT examination, but if I was there, then how would I select the set, that how would I imagine that whether I need to do this set or not. So first point is that we are going to take some examples. As you can see on your screen, this is a CAT 2021 set and this is a DI set. Okay, so I suggest that out of 4 or 5 sets that are in the CAT examination, there will be minimum 2 DI sets, and first you go for the DI set. The reason behind this is because DI sets are easily doable. Not every DI set is easily doable, but as compared to LR, you don't need to make any kind of data. In the case when bar chart or pie chart or tables are given, right, and now or also missing data interpretation tables are given, partial information will be always given to you. So you just need to apply few basic formulas like final minus initial upon initial into 100, or whether you need to find out percentages or ROI or something on this basis, right? Also that might happen in the case of a DI, that you can be asked to find out in interest or the percentage or the population or something like that. Now it is easily doable as compared to the logical reasoning set, where you need to develop some tables or develop some data. So first go for the DI set, है ना, कि आप देखोगे DI का सेट जो आपके अंदर आया है वो doable है या नहीं है. So this is on your screen, this is a doable set of CAT 2021 slot 1 का set है. So it is very easily doable because सब कुछ डेटा दिया है, सारी की सारी वैल्यूज भी गिवन है. Another set on your screen is again a data interpretation set of slot 2 CAT 2022, sorry, CAT 2021, 22 तो हुआ नहीं. Okay, so as you can see that we are expecting this year also that you get one set of either pie charts or tables or any set in which data is directly given. So go for this kind of set first. Second tip is you select the set based on the number of parameters or the number of unknowns available in the set, right? If number of parameters or number of unknowns are more than 4 or 5, then we are going to neglect that set, or we are going to keep it for the last. या तो फिर हमारे पास कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है कि सारे के सारे सेट्स ऐसे ही हैं जिसके अंदर 4 या 5 पैरामीटर्स है. तो वी नीड टू गो फॉर दैट सेट. एज यू कैन सी ऑन योर स्क्रीन, ये भी 2021 का सेट है. नाउ इन दिस सेट देयर आर 2 टेबल्स and other than that there is a data also. So you need to manage the tables, you need to manage the data. तो आपको डेटा एनालाइज करने में ही आपके 10 मिनट चले जाएंगे, है ना. एंड फॉर एन ईच एंड एवरी सेट यू गेट approximately 10 to 15 minutes or maximum 20 minutes for a set, right? So our target in first 20 to 25 minutes to secure 95 और 90 percentile at least to get into a very good IM, है ना. अगर हम लोग पहले 20-25 मिनट्स में एक सेट पूरा का पूरा 6 क्वेश्चन वाला सॉल्व कर लेते हैं, योर प्रायोरिटी शुड बी सिलेक्टिंग अ 6 क्वेश्चन सेट, बिकॉज उसमें से आपको 6 क्वेश्चन मिल जाएंगे पूरे के पूरे. एंड इफ यू डू दो 6 क्वेश्चन करेक्टली और इवन 5 क्वेश्चन करेक्टली आउट ऑफ दिस दो 6, then you will be achieving at least 90-92 percentile, which will be getting you into a very good IM or at least a top B school. Now in another 15 to 20 minutes remaining, you can do one more set. Again, if it is of 6 questions, it is very better because it will get more chances to get you to the 99 percentile or nearer to that, है ना. So second set should be selected on the basis of the again parameters. As you can see on your screen, ये भी जो एक set है इसमें there are 5 to 6 rows and approximately 6 to 7 columns. So that gives 7 5 35 or approximately more than 35 parameters to be judged. So these kind of sets are to be avoided or to be kept for the last. So these are the basic 2 tips Again, everything depends on which slot you give, what kind of sets you get. And in these years examinations, right, all the slots, Venn diagrams is the most important thing, right? You can expect the scattered charts also. Games and tournaments can be important for the slot 3 aspirants. These are tips from my side, these are predictions from my side. Missing data interpretation tables are important for each and every slot. Yes, so go for that if you're finding the missing data set in any slots. So till then, do remember this and do not panic, and all the best to all the aspirants out there, and enjoy your day. पेपर जैसा भी हो, कोई दिक्कत की बात नहीं, कोई टेंशन की बात नहीं. Will go live also to analyze the paper. And till then, do subscribe and have a fantastic evening out there.